Hello everyone. Today's our topic is divide any number by 5, 20 and 50. Okay. Let's see now. First divide by 5. Let's take one example. 97 by 5. For this you don't need to divide, just we need to know how to double the number. Okay. To double the number, use place value method or expanded form. Okay. That is 90 plus 7 by 5 as it is. Double of 90 is 180. Double of 7 is 14. At the same time, we need to double the denominator also. So, double of 5 is 10. So, total how much? 194 by 10. If we have denominator as 10, then put a decimal after one digit from the right side. That means from the right side. After 4 you keep point here. So, the answer is 19.4. So, easy no? Let's take one more example. 257 by 5. So, write 257 in expanded form. 200 plus 50 plus 7 by 5. Now, double it. 200 becomes 400. 50 becomes 100. 7 becomes 14. We need to double denominator also. So, 5 becomes 10. So, 514 by 10. So, if we have denominator as 10, then put a decimal after one digit from right side. That means after 4 you need to keep here. So, the answer is 51.4. No divisions required here. Just a small method of mental mathematics and we will get an answer. Let's take one more example. Let's take some bigger number. 834. Okay, by 5. So, write in expanded form 830 plus 4 by 5. Double it. 800 becomes 1600. 30 becomes 60. 4 becomes 8 and this 5 becomes 10. So, the answer is, by adding these, 1668 by 10. So, keep point after one digit from the right side. 166.8. This is the answer. So, simple no? Now, divide by 20. Let's take one example. 94 by 20. Okay. This we can write 90 plus 4 and this denominator we can write as 2 into 10. 94 by 2 is nothing but halving the number. So, half it. Half of 90 is 45. Half of 4 is 2. Okay. This part completed. So, remaining 10 I am writing here. So, this is 47 by 10. So, when denominator is 10, then we need to keep a decimal after one digit from the right side. So, the answer is 4.7. So, simple no? Let's take one more example. 225 by 20. So, write in expanded form 200 plus 20 plus 5. This we can write into 2 into 10. So, half it. As I already told you, 225 by 2 is nothing but half of 225, no? So, 200 becomes 100, 20 becomes 10 and this 5 becomes 2.5. Okay. This 10 I am writing as it is. So, add this one, you will get 112.5 by 10. When you divide a decimal number by 10, then this point moves one place towards left side. That means the answer is 11.25. Let's take one more example. Take bigger number, 1286 by 20. So write in expanded form 1000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 6 and write 20 as 2 into 10. So for this part we need to half the number. So 1000 becomes 500, 200 becomes 100, 80 becomes 40, 6 becomes 3 by 10. Right? So how much? 643 by 10. So keep a point after one digit from the right side. So the answer is 64.3. Is it clear? Now let's see with an example divide by 15. Okay. Let's take 186 by 50. Divide by 50 also same procedure like divide by 5. We need to double the whole number. Okay. Write 186 as 100 plus 80 plus 6. Okay. Double it. 100 becomes 200. 80 becomes 160. 6 becomes 12. And this 50 becomes 100. Add these numbers, then you will get 372 and write 100 as it is. When you have denominator 10, then you need to keep a decimal after one digit from right side. But here denominator is 100. So we need to keep a decimal point after two digits from the right side. So the answer is 3.72. Is it clear? Let's see one more example, then you will get a clear picture. Let's take some bigger number, 2437 by 50. Okay. So write in expanded form 2000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 7 by 50. Now double it, hold the number. So 2000 becomes 4000. 400 becomes 800, 30 becomes 60, 7 becomes 14 and this 50 becomes 100. So add this, we'll get 4874, right, by 100. So denominator is 100, so keep decimal point after two digits from the right side. So 1, 2, keep here. So the answer is 48.74. See friends, if you know doubling and halving, we can do calculations very fast. If you like this video, like it, share to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video with one more amazing trick. Till then, bye bye.